everyone, how are you? It's day 2 of unboxing my Rituals Advent Calendar. It's the 2nd of December, so I have the second ornament right here and we'll open it together. As you can see, I also am wearing my Disney Christmas sweater, no shirt actually. It's really cute. It has a Minnie in the front, super cute. And we'll open it up. Let's see if we can. Oh, and I didn't read what it says. The first Sunday, so today's the first Advent. Lighten your heart with hope by lighting this candle on the first Sunday of December. So I guess it has a candle inside. There we go. Oh, that's really cute. It's a small candle, very cute. And it says Advent Edition, watermelon and pomegranate. It smells really good. It's really cute. It's like a little candle. Super cute. I like it. I actually have a Rituals candle right in front of me. It's this one. I have a big one. And it's the... I wish I could show you the astonishing light of your own being. And it's the Ritual of Yalda candle, and I got this for my birthday. And those ritual candles are amazing, amazing. They fill the entire room, apartment with the scent. And it's so, so good. I love. I have a second one of this, and I'm so excited, and I'm super excited about the small one now. So yay, I got a candle. If you want to see the third one, come back tomorrow and I'll show you what has the third door of Advent, what it has inside. See you tomorrow. Bye.